How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1958 Impala. Gorgeous car. Real nice, clean car. It's had some nice upgrades. It's also got a lot of factory options. So all the chrome on the car, all in really good condition. They put a tube grill in it. I do have the factory grill, and it's in excellent condition for the year. Car looks real good down the sides. All the chrome on it's real nice. It's been updated with radial white walls. I also have another set of wheels with factory bias ply wide whites. Goes with the car. It's got your dual antennas in the back. It's got the factory option Continental kit. It's just a really cool car. Get the dual side view mirrors. It's got the original 348 tri-power. The motor had been rebuilt when they did the restoration on the car. It's been several years ago. It's got factory power steering, power brakes. I do have the factory large round air cleaner for it. Looks a little cooler with the chrome individuals. It's got hood light option and it works. We just took the bulb out so it didn't drain the battery in the showroom. Got the tri-tone interior. Beautiful interior. It's got the optional headlight dimmer, your clamshell for the traffic lights. Headliner, everything's very nice in the car. All the interior is excellent condition. They've updated it with the seat belts in the front. All the jams look nice. And we have a show board, and we have several other bits of paperwork that goes with the car you'll see in the photos. Got the factory jacks, spares, all there. Got working trunk light. Continental kit does fold down. I really like these tri-tone interiors. Super nice. It's got the optional cigarette sucker. When the car's running, you drop your cigarette in there and it will spit it over into a container. It's all vacuum operated. It's got the Kleenex dispenser. It's got a little waste compartment there. A lot of cool little options in the car. Everything in this thing works. Car drives out excellent. Thing purrs like a kitten. It fires right up. That's a real horn. They don't make them like that no more. It's got duals all out the back. It's also got the optional exhaust vents there in the quarters. You know, they're just for looks. backup lights all work. Okay, that's just a cool car right there. Get in that car, drive it, cruise it, go to your shows, have a ton of fun. And you just don't see many 58s out there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.